Hi guys, and welcome to a new series that I'm going to do called 5-Minute Fridays. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you little tips and tricks every Friday, no longer than 5 minutes. And first I'm going to start with the basics of importing photos into Lightroom. So what we need first is an SD card with photos, straight from the camera into the computer. And we open up the files. So what I normally do is go into the file. And here we go, on the 10th of September, I had some photos. So what I'll do is I'll open another Windows E for Windows users. And I basically have a file structure in my photography folder for every camera I've shot with. So my A7 II, done by year, my new A7R III, done by the same. And then you can see I've got a file structure. It basically works by doing the year, the month, the day, and then a reminder of where I was shooting. So in this case, I'll do a new folder, 2019, 09, 10, and I'll call it Wimborne Minster Sunrise. It's different to this one because this was a practice folder, so ignore that. So we'll go into this, create a raw folder, and then what we'll do is we will drag across all the 10th of the 9th files into there. While that's doing that, I will move across to Lightroom, and you can see the same file structure is actually here, and it keeps it so nice and organized. It's so easy to go back and find a certain sunrise sunset that you don't have to worry about digging for a deep file structure. So then what you do is you click on import. It's going to find my SD card, so what I'll do is I'll go off that and go straight into photography, A7R III, 2019, and there's my new folder. And it's got all the sunrise shots from the Wimborne Minster that I shot that morning. I'll go over here and I'll click Build Smart Previews. What I will then do is change that 1 to 1. What that's going to do is I can click into the file and actually see a 1-to-1 preview of it without it having to render. With a computer like this, it makes it really easy. I don't have to basically wait for anything. It's just zoom in, I can see if it's in focus, I can see if it's how I want it to be, and then I can crop and edit as I normally do it. So I'll import that, and that is pretty much it. That's now you can see the operations in progress up here. It's going to import each file. As it does that, it's going to give a little preview. So while it's doing it, I can go in, and there we go. And there's the photo, ready to edit, ready to go into the develop module and edit away. It's going to be a bit laggy, but that's simply because it's building the previews. And that's it. That is the first 5-Minute Friday. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you've got any other suggestions, what you'd like to see, and we'll see what we can do. Have a great evening, guys.